Hey, it's Steffi from Steffi's Beads and Baubles. Here's another box of my cookie cutters. Now, there were other animals that were loose in the drawers. So, like I've said in pretty much every video, at some point over the next year, I will go through all the cookie cutters and absolutely put them all in categories and get all the animals together in a bag and all the butterflies, and I'll separate them into smaller niches, decide what I'm keeping, get rid of duplicates, and the ones I don't really love will all go in bins for the grandkids and the kids to go through. Then the rest will be sold in lots. When that happens, you'll be the first to know. And but I've got some really good ones in here. Here's a dog. Oh, let me get my bag out. I did not get my bag out. Hold on. I'll let you look at the cookie cutters while I get my bag out. So I'm using these 2-gallon Ziploc bags to put the cookie cutters in, as I put them in a contractor size trash bag that I will tape shut really well, and then they're in these bags. That way they take up less room than these tubs, and I'm able to put them all into these boxes. This is box number 4. I'll probably have 5 of these big, they say medium, but they're big, from Home Depot. So I'll probably have 5 of those when I'm done. Now here's a squirrel. That's really cute. And here's another. Is that the same dog? Or did I? No. I guess I showed you that dog and set it down. I don't know. But anyway, here's the dog. And that looks like an acorn. I don't know what that is. I don't know why I have it in with the animals. Does anybody have a clue? I'll leave it in there for now, but I don't think that's an animal. Now these are fun. This is an alligator, a rhinoceros, and an elephant all together. I think that's a really fun one. I don't know where I got it, but I had a similar one in the reptile grouping, I think. But that's a lot of fun. I do have 10 grandkids. Here's a Mickey Mouse. That's a nice one. I don't have too many Disney. I just have a couple. Here's another squirrel. And here's a bear. Most of my bears, especially teddy bears, are in my Christmas, but a couple escaped. Here's an elephant. Here is, I think that's a porcupine or a hedgehog. Probably a hedgehog. Here's a howling wolf. Now I have a few of these in my Southwestern, but this one I put in here. Here's a bear. I have made this polar bear before, and he's in my video playlist for ornaments. And the reason I did a polar bear is our son at the time was on a base, and their mascot was a polar bear. Here is, and that was years ago. Here is a unicorn. I guess that's supposed to be maybe a tiger. I'm not exactly sure. Here is a llama, and I've made him. He is also on my playlist. He had a lot of little details. This is a pig out of my Tupperware set that I've had since I was a kid. And when I go through them, I'm going to probably put some of those sets here. I think I just showed you this one, or one identical to it. It's got to be one identical, because I think I threw it in there. Another bear that's kind of wild. I think this goes to a set I showed in one of the other videos, but I could be wrong. This is another baby bear, which is cute. Problem is, when you add stuff over the years and you haven't really organized it, at one point you look at it and you're like, oh gosh, I don't know what to do with all of this stuff. Here's a turtle. I'll leave him out in my collection. I keep a collection of stuff I want to make. Do not ask me what this is. I guess a gorilla? Came with a lot of stuff I bought. Here is a poodle, I believe. And here is the Mickey Mouse. I bought this Mickey Mouse and this Winnie the Pooh when I was 16 years old at Disneyland. I am 65. So I've had these a very, very long time. This was the hippo I did an ornament on. I'm going to do another one because I'm going to leave that one here at the house for our daughter. But I'm going to do it better this time. I wasn't happy with how it came out. Giraffe. Another squirrel. And what was caught in the squirrel? Oh, it looks like a fox. That's cute. I might leave the fox out. Like I said, it could be a year till I have these all at my disposal again because I've just got so many other things to deal with. The cookie cutters are kind of last. I'll keep the snail out. He's fun. I'd like to do some interesting and different ones. Here's a kitty. A horse. Let's see. See, I've got 2 of those for sure. I know one of the grandkids will probably snag those. A pink elephant, and I know I saw one of these in my drawers when I was going through it. Here's another Mickey Mouse, and I bought this one for 50 cents at the thrift store. Here's a neat cat sitting with his back to you. Not exactly sure. Another cat. Here is a beautiful horse. Maybe I didn't show you those good enough. Let me, whatever that is. A cat. And a cat. And then another horse head. Little tiny Scotty dog. Another cat. Kind of reminds me of those old Felix the Cat clocks where the tail swung. And another kitty. And the last one in the animal bucket is a pig. A little pig. So that's those. And the next video will probably be birds. And that'll be a short one, so I may combine it with another one. So I'll be back soon. These are going to be scheduled through July, maybe even August, so I don't hit you with them all at once. So I'll be back soon. Bye.